So the system's online. That's the garage. That's currently not running because don't need to call it. Still got the trunking up there, etc. Trunking down here. This is the unit running. So I mean, you can hear it. Obviously, it's not particularly loud. I can hear the kids next door still. You know. I think we're going to put some sort of thing, because that's where the coils drip. I think there needs to be some sort of tray. But they did talk about something like that, so hopefully we'll get that sorted next week. And then round here, this system isn't yet live, but we do have trunking in for the unit that's up there. So that drain is going to clip along here and go into the actual drain, which would be a bit neater. But there's no actual drain on the other side, so we have pipe work coming down. So that one comes from the bedroom up there. I made a hole. This one is from the kitchen. Pipe work going along, and over to here. So it looks like 2 of the units, so that'll be the ones on the far side, are already plumbed in. So this, we've got a bit that's out of trunking here. You can't really do anything about it because of the downpipe, but you're not going to see it, are you? So I think it's fine. Come around here. There wasn't an internal corner that would fit in there, but again, I don't think you'll notice that. That goes up. Again, you don't think... Oh, and there's a drain there for it. I think you won't really notice it. It just looks like another guttering pipe, you know. Yeah, and then this unit is here, kind of covered up a bit, which I think is good. Yeah, I mean, it does make this bit a bit narrow to walk past, but you can easily get there. Hopefully it's a good neighbour, as it were, and neighbours don't complain about it. I just need to put some cabling in. It won't need to be much because it's not going far. So yeah, just 2 more units to pipe in. One, the pipe work comes here, so it just needs a little bit of an extension and to be flared and put in. And the other one, which is here, so that should happen on Monday. Hopefully this system can be pressure tested and commissioned on Monday.